You miss a payment. The calls start. The letters come. Someone says, if you don't pay, you could go to jail. Your heart drops. But here's the question. Can debt actually send you to jail? Or is that one of the biggest legal fears ever created? Today, we're separating fact from fear, because the truth might surprise you. Let's start with the most important principle. In most modern legal systems around the world, owing money is a civil issue, not a criminal offense. That distinction is everything. Civil matters deal with disputes between people or companies. Criminal matters involve offenses against the state. Debt is usually about contracts. You borrowed. You agreed to repay. You couldn't. That alone does not make you a criminal. Historically, there were debtors' prisons. But in many parts of the world, those systems were abolished. Simply being unable to pay a debt is generally not a crime. But, and this is important, there are exceptions. Debt itself isn't criminal, but certain actions related to debt can be. Here are the major situations. 1. Fraud. If someone intentionally lies to obtain money, using fake documents, false identity, or deception, that's not just debt. That's fraud. Fraud is criminal. The key difference is intent. Did you borrow and fail? Or did you lie to obtain money? Very different legally. 2. Contempt of court. If a court orders you to appear or comply, and you intentionally ignore it, that can lead to legal consequences, not because of the debt itself, but because of disobeying a court order. The jail risk here is about defiance of judicial authority, not unpaid money. 3. Child support and certain legal obligations. In many jurisdictions, failing to comply with court-ordered child support or similar legal duties can carry serious consequences. Again, it's not debt in the commercial sense. It's violation of a legal obligation. The difference matters. Now let's talk about something critical. Many people are told they will go to jail for unpaid loans. In many places, making false threats of arrest to collect debt is illegal. Debt collectors cannot 1. Pretend to be law enforcement. 2. Threaten imprisonment without legal basis. 3. Harass you into panic. Fear is often used as leverage, but fear does not equal law. If someone threatens jail without criminal grounds, that may itself violate consumer protection laws. Let's remove the drama. Here's what typically happens in civil debt cases. 1. Late fees. 2. Collection calls. 3. Legal notice. 4. Civil lawsuit. 5. Court judgment. If a creditor wins in court, enforcement may include 1. Wage garnishment, where legally allowed. 2. Asset seizure, within limits. 3. Payment plans. Notice something? Jail is not on that list. The system is built to recover money, not imprison poverty. So why do so many people believe debt leads to prison? 3 reasons. 1. History. Old debtors' prisons still live in public memory. 2. Fear marketing. Threats are powerful. 3. Confusion between civil and criminal law. When legal terms are misunderstood, fear fills the gap. But understanding the structure changes everything. Debt is financial risk. Crime is moral and legal violation. They are not the same. If you're struggling financially, don't panic. Don't ignore court documents. Don't rely on rumors. Seek accurate information. Understand your local laws. Communicate when possible. Knowledge reduces fear. So, can debt send you to jail? In most cases, no. Fraud can. Defying court orders can. But simple inability to pay? Usually not. The law is more nuanced than the threats. If this clarified something for you, subscribe. Because understanding the law is the difference between panic and power. This is law, in a nutshell.